Faults in an electric motor is a common problem in the industry. And it badly affects our productivity and profit. It's so easy to end up feeling irritating and overwhelming. If so, then we feel your pain. There's nothing more annoying than the never-ending troubles of an electrical motor. And the frustration of not knowing how to find a proper motor repairing service provider to fix your problem. What you really need is a qualified technician to provide a proper solution to your problem. Here at Rota-Mach Electrical Services, we've been helping local businesses to provide one-stop solution for repairing and servicing of electrical motors for over 5 years. You get access as 24/7 fast response service for all kind of electrical motor or alternator issue around your business. Give us a call now at 695100685 or email us at enquiry@rota-mach.com.sg.